if you haven't watched the oil safety section, then please go back and do so. I'm going to take you through the most common or the best ways of using oils. There's 3 ways that we can use oils, and the most obvious is aromatically. Because the oils evaporate very quickly, we can smell them and we could just breathe it in from the bottle. Or we could put a drop in our palms, rub your hands together, cover your nose, not your eyes, and breathe it in that way. The most common way people use the oils is in a diffuser. You may have seen this on clinic reception. It's the lid comes off and you put water in, and then you put between 3 and 6 drops of oil in. You can adjust that depending on how sensitive you are to smells and how big a room you are using it in. And then you just switch it on and you will see a little steam. Don't know if you can see it in the video. I think you might be able to. You'll see the little bit of steam coming up, and you breathe that in, and it comes down into your lungs and it gets into your system that way. But what it also does is that when the oil and the chemicals hit your olfactory nerve, they will be carried on into the limbic system, and the limbic system is really important when it comes to controlling our memories and our emotions. So for stress and anxiety, that is a very, very effective way of helping calm yourself down by using the essential oils and breathing them in. Now, the second way you can use oils is by applying them topically. Everything that we put on the skin gets absorbed in through our skin, and you can measure it in the bloodstream after about a minute or so. Now, I tend to use fractionated coconut oil as a carrier oil. You can use almond oil, you can use olive oil, whatever you've got. I prefer fractionated coconut oil because it doesn't go rancid, and because it washes out if you get it on your clothes, and it absorbs very, very easily.